guys, so today's Super Bowl. Let me know who you have, either the Rams or the Patriots. But before we get to the game, we're in here in the garage with the TSX again, trying to remove the camber kit and the fenders. That way I can send the fender out to get wrapped, and I can try the HELLAFLUSH mod on the camber kit. Someone messaged me and sent me the link on how they adjust the ball joint, flip it around, and just take away material from the camber kit. So we're going to try that and see how it works. If the camber kit works, then I can use my Skunk 2 as a primary and keep it, since I have the ball joints already. And if it doesn't work out, I still have my other kit that's still in the mail coming here, but I can pick either one to use for my primary kit and have a backup. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so right now we've got the car off the ground on the jack stand, so we're going to take off the fender first, and hopefully we can get a little bit more insight on what's really going on with the camber kit. So the fender is off, and let's have a look at what came off the fender. Everything you see right here was actually trapped in the fender. So once I took off the fender, all it is still up here was trapped. Alright, so we don't need to go that far back. I highly doubt I need that much camber. Maybe go 50% of the distance, somewhere around here. And just notch off all of this. And that will allow the camber kit to move a lot closer. So that's the plan. So we had till here, which gave us negative 2.4. Another 5 mil should give us over 3. And hopefully cause a lot less issue with going that far, but 5 mil should be okay, and then we'll work with the spindle arm from there. Well, yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video.